is not an entry-level occupation. Forestry production or operations supervisors have worked their way up in forestry operations to this level. They usually start off as members of logging crews and progress to logging plant machine operators. These supervisors manage and coordinate the tasks of a team of forestry loggers and ensure that the team achieves their daily production targets. This type of supervisor requires strong problem-solving skills and the capacity to motivate and lead a team. Forestry supervisors require a good working knowledge of relevant occupational health and safety regulations and a willingness to work together with their crews. Logging supervisors supervise and direct the daily logging production schedule. They oversee the logging crews and assign the workers tasks. They instruct the crews as to which trees are to be felled, the felling sequences, log cutting specifications, and skidding operations. They supervise the movement of logs from the felling areas to the landing site and storage areas. Because of the distance and the noise of the plant equipment, supervisors coordinate the actions of the logging team by using radios and hand signals. One of the key responsibilities of forestry supervisors is to monitor logging operations and to identify and solve production problems. They ensure that the logging teams comply with company and government regulations. The type of tasks carried out by logging crews tend to be dangerous, so supervisors ensure that safety regulations are strictly adhered to. When a new section of forest is due to be harvested, the supervisor coordinates the setting up of the site. This entails clearing the land site of vegetation and coordinating the movement and setting up of plant and equipment. Once an area has been harvested, the supervisor will coordinate the dismantling of the plant as well. Operations supervisors train new workers in the methods of tree felling and skidding, how to operate equipment correctly, and in safety regulations. The supervisor assists the forestry manager in determining and planning work schedules. They may discuss future harvesting or forest management schedules and procedures. Aspects such as the best logging operation methods, optimum crew sizes, or equipment requirements may be discussed. Forestry supervisors work outdoors for most of their time. Due to the nature of the work, they must be in excellent physical condition as they often work on steep forest terrain, climbing over felled trees while carrying radios and heavy cable rigging. Like the logging crew, they are required to wear safety clothing when working. If supervisors transport the logging crew and tools to the forest job site, they will need the relevant driver's license. These supervisors have extensive experience working as forestry crew and plant operators before moving into this position. This is necessary in order to understand and deal with problems in logging production and related areas. They're also often responsible for training new logging crew members. Although much of the experience for this occupation is gained on the job, employers may require candidates to study for the Occupational Certificate for Production or Operations Supervisors. Further experience and study may be required to progress to the occupation of Forestry Operations Manager.